What can I do if the mechanic has had my car for 6 months for an estimated 8-hour repair and will not answer my calls on the rare occasion they tell me it will be ready next week, and when I call the next? First of all, I'm really sorry you're going through this. It's frustrating, and it sounds like the mechanic is seriously dropping the ball. Here's a structured approach to handle this. Document everything. Start by gathering all your documentation. This includes initial service contract or work estimate, records of all communications, dates, times, and summaries of phone calls or emails, any receipts or payments you've made. Documentation is crucial for any case you might need to present in the future. Visit the shop in person. If you haven't already, go down to the shop. Sometimes people are more accountable when faced in person. Ask to see your car and get a visual on its current state. This might give you more information on why the repair is delayed, or at least encourage the mechanic to get moving. Demand a written timeline. Let them know you're serious by asking for a written timeline of when the repairs will be completed. Mention that you need this in writing because the verbal promises haven't been kept. This may push them to work faster. Contact the owner or manager. If you've been dealing with employees, try to get in touch with the owner or the highest-ranking person there. Often higher-ups are more motivated to resolve such issues to protect the business's reputation. Send a formal letter. If personal visits and calls fail, draft a formal letter. Use certified mail to send it so that you have proof of receipt. Outline your grievances clearly. The duration the car has been in the shop, the lack of communication, broken promises regarding timelines. Also, specify what you want: a firm completion date, a discount for the inconvenience, or even return of the vehicle in its current state. File a complaint. If there's still no resolution, consider filing a complaint with the Better Business Bureau or any relevant local consumer protection agency. This step alone can sometimes spur businesses into action. Seek legal advice. If all else fails, you may need to consult with a lawyer. This might sound extreme, but sometimes just a letter from an attorney can prompt swift action. Legal advice will give you a clear understanding of your rights and possible next steps, including formal litigation. Consider online reviews. Reserving this as almost a last resort, writing an honest review on platforms like Google, Yelp, or social media might help. Businesses often respond quickly to public complaints to protect their reputation. Remember, your situation is unfortunately more common than it should be, and these steps are designed to put you back in the driver's seat, quite literally. Good luck, Scott from Portland.